Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you install exception-based.NET on your own web server to allow custom exception tracking. First of all, you'll need a build of exception-based.NET. I've got mine already here and I'm going to unzip it right now. It gives you this folder. What you're now gonna do, move those files onto your web server. I'm gonna use Forklift as FTP client and drag it right here. This is going to take a while. While it uploads the data, I'll just have a quick look over the server. For exception-based, your server is going to need a MySQL database and PHP support. The clients are going to need JavaScript and HTML5. So after uploading the files, we can close Forklift and open up our favorite browser. Now you're gonna navigate to the directory where you uploaded exception-based.NET to. Mine is at test.exception-based.NET. Exception-based is going to detect that it hasn't been installed yet, and it's going to redirect you to the installing page. What you're going to need to do now is enter the address of your database, the database user, the name of the database itself, and the database password. In most cases, you're going to get this data from your web host, where you rented the server. In my case, the database address is mysql.goneo.de. The database name, this right here. The user's the same. And the password. When you enter all your data, you click on this green button, and exception-based.NET is going to check whether the connection to the database is okay. It says that looks good, so we can proceed. If you now click on Setup Database, exception-based.NET is going to enter the required data into your database and prepare it for usage. Click OK, and now we can create a user. I'm going to create the user admin with the email address admin@leolabs.org. The password is going to be test, and you're gonna repeat the password. Click the green button again, and everything's finished. You can now log into exception-based.NET. Admin and test. This is it. You managed the installation of exception-based.NET. What you're now going to need to do is register your application for usage with this exception-based.NET installation. Click on that button, and again. You can now enter a name for the application. I'm going to call it test application. Press enter. And that's it. Remember, you're going to need this ID for the .NET module of exception-based.NET. Thank you.